Just as I was about to demonstrate my invention to the judges, a kid with a baking soda volcano stole the show. The next year, I tried again with my even bigger inator. And again, my thunder was stolen by a baking soda volcano.
Did you know that you can use baking soda as a deodorant to get rid of body odor? This is just one of the many benefits of baking soda. From health to housekeeping, there is a ton you can get out of this amazing household item. Now here are 12 amazing benefits of baking soda that will definitely change your life. Starting up with number 12, it whitens and protects your teeth. In order to prevent tooth decay, baking soda essentially balances the pH levels in your mouth. Enamel, a calcified hardened substance, surrounds and shields the inner layers of our teeth. Enamel contains no living tissue, so once it's lost, it's lost. Baking soda acts as a strong protector for our enamel because of its high pH. By increasing the pH levels in our mouths, we can shield our teeth from the harmful effects of excessive acidity. In fact, a University of Manitoba PubMed study demonstrates that using a high baking soda toothpaste reduces the incidence of cavities by assisting the mouth's pH levels return to normal much more quickly than toothpaste with lesser amounts. Additionally, baking soda helps in removing plaque so you can have a better and whiter smile. And now next up for number 11, it gets rid of odors. Strangely, human sweat has no smell. Sweat doesn't smell until microorganisms in your armpits break it down. Although there's little evidence to support this theory, baking soda is frequently used as a natural deodorant to get rid of sweat stench by neutralizing its acidic smells. But that's not all. It can also be used as an air freshener. As baking soda is free of industrial chemicals and neutralizes odor particles, it is a safe substitute for commercial air fresheners. Baking soda and essential oils should be added to a jar. And now next up, it can also act as a natural cleaner for almost anything. A potent non-abrasive cleaner can be created by combining baking soda and water. One application is to clean the interior of a refrigerator of leftover food residues, to clean your tubs, sinks, and shower curtain, as well as to remove scuff marks from flooring. Oh yeah, and it's also a superb deodorizer. Put baking soda on a carpet, let it stand, then vacuum it up along with the smell. Baking soda also makes an excellent kitchen cleaner because of its adaptability. It could also aid in reducing the development of mold or germs when combined with an acid like lemon juice or vinegar. Although there are many industrial bathroom cleaners available, many customers want more eco-friendly, economical cleaning solutions. While being less effective than commercial cleansers, baking soda is useful since it whitens and disinfects a variety of washroom surfaces. And now next up for number 9, it's also a pesticide remover. Although many pesticides have negative effects on human health, they're also used to protect crops against weeds, rodents, insects, and other pests. The best technique to get rid of pesticides from fruit is to peel it. Interestingly, new research shows that washing produced with baking soda is the best technique to avoid peeling fruits and vegetables while also removing pesticides. According to one study, soaking apples in a mixture of baking soda and water for 12 to 15 minutes practically completely eliminated any pesticide residue. But remember that using this technique won't get rid of pesticides that have gotten under the skin of the fruit or vegetable. Now, did you know that baking soda can help with skin irritation? Keep watching and find out how. Now let's continue to number 8. It also helps treat heartburn. Heartburn, also known as acid reflux, is a burning, uncomfortable feeling that can travel up into your throat. The tube that connects your stomach to your mouth, the esophagus, is affected when acid from your stomach arises and enters it. We all know they're no fun. It frequently happens after a large meal, a drink with carbonation, or oily or spicy food. By balancing stomach acid, baking soda can aid in the treatment of heartburn. Mix 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of baking soda with a glass of cold water, then sip the concoction carefully. And now next up, it also improves exercise performance. According to several studies, using baking soda during high-intensity training, sprinting, or anaerobic workouts can help you perform longer at your best. Your muscle cells begin creating lactic acid during high-intensity exercise, which is what causes the burning sensation you experience while exercising. Moreover, lactic acid decreases the pH within your cells, which may contribute to the fatigue of your muscles. Baking soda may help you maintain your maximum level of performance for longer. For instance, one study discovered that cyclists who used baking soda exercised for an additional 4.5 minutes on average than those who did not. So if you're a gym rat, consider adding baking soda to your diet now. And now next up for number 6, it relieves itchy skin and helps with sunburns. After insect bites or bee stings, a baking soda bath is frequently suggested to relieve itching skin. Furthermore, sunburned skin that is itching may be relieved by using baking soda as well. Some people contend that adding additives like cornstarch and oats make it more potent. Add 1 to 2 cups or 220 to 440 grams of baking soda to a warm bath to create a baking soda bath. Apply a thick layer to the problematic area after making a paste out of baking soda for specific places. And now for number 5, it helps slow progression of chronic kidney disease. Chronic kidney disease or CKD patients gradually lose their renal function. Your kidneys play a crucial role in maintaining mineral balance by removing extra water and waste from your blood, as well as potassium, sodium, and calcium levels. Although additional research is required, several studies indicate that taking supplements containing sodium bicarbonate or baking soda enhances renal function and slows the development of CKD. Even so, if you have renal issues, it's best to consult your doctor before using baking soda. So do you want to know more about the baking soda laundry hack? Well, you gotta stick around to find out. Starting up with number 4, it can improve cancer treatments. In the US, cancer is the second most common cause of death. Chemotherapy, a chemical cocktail that slows or stops the growth of cancer cells, is a common method of treatment. According to certain studies, baking soda may improve the efficiency of chemotherapy drugs by reducing the acidity of the tumor environment. Additionally, radiation or chemotherapy-related throat irritation can be relieved by gurgling with a solution of baking soda, salt, and water. Moreover, this concoction might help stop the spread of infection in mouth sores. Before using any mouth rinses, the American Cancer Society advises consulting your cancer care team because they may pose a risk or aggravate mouth sores. Yet human research is required because the available information is restricted to animal and test tube studies. Before adding baking soda to your chemotherapy regimen, first talk to your doctor. And now for number 3, it safely cleans pots and pans. The American Cleaning Institute advises adding baking soda to the pan, covering it with hot water, and soaking it for 15 to 30 minutes when cooked food is still stuck to the pan. The baking soda will help lift the crusty food pieces by then. And now for number 2, it can be used for laundry. Baking soda can do the same task in the laundry as the substance known as washing soda. It is a very weak alkaline powder that when added to water slightly elevated its pH. It also acts as a mild antiseptic to prevent the formation of microorganisms. Baking soda prevents the water in the washer from becoming overly acidic or alkaline. Detergents can function more efficiently and kill more bacteria by adding 1/2 cup of baking soda to each load of laundry. And lastly, for number 1, it also treats nail infection. It can aid in eliminating foot odor in addition to curing the fungus infection. Start by combining 1/2 cup of baking soda, 1/2 cup of Epsom salt, and 1/4 cup of hydrogen peroxide in 4 cups of hot water to make the remedy for toenail fungus. Add 1/4 cup of white vinegar and then bathe your feet in the mixture for approximately 10 minutes. After finishing, thoroughly dry your feet by rinsing them with clean water. Now, which baking soda hack surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you want to supercharge your life and health even more, check out our latest video release or our Don't Miss These playlist, both right here on the screen. See you there!